మీకు తెలుసా బైబిల్‌లో హెలికాప్టర్‌ల గురించి రాసి ఉందని? రెవల్యూషన్ చాప్టర్ 9 వర్స్ 7 నుంచి మీరు చదివినట్లయితే, "And the shape of the locusts was like horses prepared for battle, and on their heads were crowns of something like gold, and their faces were like the faces of men. They had hair like women's hair, and their teeth were like lions' teeth, and they had breastplates like breastplates of iron, and the sound of their wings was like the sound of chariots with many horses running into the battle. They had tails like scorpions, and there were stings in their tails, and their power was to hurt men 5 months.